Hello, everyone want to speak in English. So at the beginning time, everyone when want to speak in English, they feel hesitant because they think that if they want to speak in English, they need to know grammar in English better. Then they will be able to speak in English. But it's not true. If you want to speak in English, you need confidence. Confidence will make you to be fluent in speaking English. So at first you need confidence, then you will grow gradually you will be a better speaker in English. So at first you have to grow up your confidence, then you will be able to speak in English better. So at first do grow up your confidence is the secret key of learning English.